Hey everybody, Roland Smith here, Mountain Bush Crafters Alliance. I was going to go live in the shop today, but I believe we'll see what's in there. Maybe get a few hooks wet. Stick around. Living good in the neighborhood. What do you think now? That's a nice one. Old sucker fish. Old hog nose, look at that. Sight, boys. That's a pretty fish, though. Look at that. Canadian night crawlers. Getting it done. Stay with me. Hey, everybody. That's a nice one. Look at that. That's a nice one. Come right here, bud. Come right here. There you go. Swimmy, swimmy, swimmy. Got you with me down here, a place called Cardinal. I've always caught a lot of channel cat and bass out of here. A lot of debris, everything's changed. Floodwaters came in, brought in a lot of coverage. Could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, I don't know. But kind of a mess down here. But nevertheless, we're out here fishing today. Catch and release. Wanted to spend the day on the riverbank. I'm using Canadian night crawlers. I'm getting ready to get the Rapala out. Got to kind of watch my pole. Better tether your pole here. It'll be gone. Nevertheless, that was a pretty good fish. We're just getting started. Just got here. Probably about 20 minutes. So, let's do some fishing. Stick around.